Hi everyone, I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to share in my Smart Spot about HubSpot's content strategy tool and how that can help you organize all of your content and blogs and ultimately help you with your SEO as well. So first, we'll just go from your main HubSpot dashboard, and to find the SEO content strategy tool, you'll just go under marketing, go down to planning and strategy, then to SEO. And today I'm going to just share on social media marketing. I thought that would just be an easy one to show as an example. So here's where this will be the core topic of your page. So we just add that there. You can see the monthly search volume as well as the difficulty for ranking there. The closer you are to 100, then the more difficult it will be. So this is in kind of an okay place. Then you create your topic from there. Okay, so then from here, we generally will do some research outside of HubSpot using an outside tool like SEMRush, which I will just show you very briefly. It looks kind of like this. We'll put in the main core topic, and then we'll get a bunch of related keywords and kind of sort through them, see what will work best for your company and the topics that you're trying to target. So having previously chosen a few, I'll just add them and kind of show you what it looks like in HubSpot. Okay, so what is social media marketing? And then you click research subtopic and it'll just show you monthly searches, and this is a good one, so we'll go ahead and save that. So this would be your blog post topic eventually. And so you just choose a few. I'll add a couple more. Another keyword that came up in SEMRush was social media marketing activities. So we'll add that one. A little bit more specific. So you probably want to go for higher search volume generally, but depending on how particular you want to get with your blog post, you can choose ones that also have a lower search volume potentially. Let's see, and then I'll just add one more. Okay, and that one's pretty good. Okay, so that just kind of shows you how you start putting subtopics in here, and then you basically write blog posts around these subtopics, and then you'll attach it here. You can just type in whatever the blog may be, and I don't have a specific one in this case, but that's where you would attach it. And then as you create all of these blog posts surrounding this core topic, eventually you'll have enough content that you can kind of summarize it and create a larger pillar page piece. And when you have that, that will be a page on your site, and you can just add it here. So from this point, I will show you an example of a pillar page we put together around developing a digital marketing strategy. So this is our first pillar page that we created. So we created all of the blog topics around this, and then created a pillar page and ebook from it. So that provided a long form page that helps us rank better on Google or whatever search engine. Okay, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about using HubSpot's content strategy SEO tool, don't hesitate to reach out to Spot On.